rodent control. So we got all our devices here to get it started. We did the outside already. Put some stations on the exterior to monitor, find out where the areas of activity is at. Like every 20 feet I put one of these RTUs, and wherever I get a hit, I'm going to put a commercial size station and load it up with bait so we can make quick work of them on the outside. And then I put temporary, filled those in temporary, so if they move we know something's going in and out of those corner caps. And after about a month, after there's no more activity in the house for mice, we're going to seal up all those areas. We already did a pre-inspection. We see a lot of gaps under the shed, and this is like a zero clearance deck, so mice could be generated from this deck and that shed and getting into the house somehow. Haven't figured it out yet, but they're definitely getting into the attic. And I don't see any openings up on top of the other side. You know, those corner moldings. There's a vine going through there, so mice could definitely find their way in. They only need to find their way in one spot, and they can infest your house constantly. So people, you know, they start doing their own baiting or they're trapping. They're just taking care of the symptoms as they come into the kitchen or the common areas, but they're not, you know, they call the professional one. It's just an ongoing thing. They want to get more of a long-term approach. They're hoping permanent. I'm hoping permanent too, but the only way I can really give it my all is if I do a year agreement, where it's four peak seasons for rodents, and if we can get rid of the problem within that year, I'm hoping within the first 60 days, and keep monitoring. Then if it lasts mouse-free for a year under my watch, you're going to be mouse-free for a long time. And the only thing you have to concentrate on are the insects and maybe wildlife like squirrels and raccoons and stuff. Mice, it's just an ongoing thing, and you really do have to give it your all and do it hard. And then when we're finished after a month or 60 days, we remove everything from the house. No traps, no glue boards, nothing. We remove everything so that it won't be there for years, and you don't need it. You don't need poisons and traps or whatever we put up there. Okay.